With your Salem-South Lyon District Library card, you have free access to Lynda, which is an online learning service. Lynda offers video courses in business, software, technology, and creative skills. It's great for people who are looking to improve their job skills, or maybe someone who wants to learn how to do something specific on the computer, or people that just like to engage in lifelong learning. To access Lynda, go to the library's website, ssldl.info, and click on Research, and from there you'll click on Alphabetized Databases. So from our website, I'm just going to navigate down to Research. From there you can click on Alphabetized Databases, and scrolling down I'll find Lynda. It's Lynda. If you click on that, it will ask you to log in. So Lynda asks for your library card number and your PIN. You can type that information in and then click Log In. Next, it will ask if you've had an account before. The reason they ask is so that way they can sync any of your previously viewed videos or any certificates you've earned with your new account. So I have not had an account. I'm going to click No. Lynda will ask for some basic information. I've entered first name, last name, and email address, and then you click Save, and then you will be on the Lynda website. Lynda is available using a mobile app as well. Just be sure that when you initially sign up for your account, you do it on the web and go through the library's website so that you're using the link to create the account using your library card, so you get a free account. Once you've installed the Lynda app on your device, you would just choose Already a Lynda Member, and you have an option to log in as an individual or an organization. Choose Organization. They'll give you some options here. Under Web Portal, I just typed in the library's website, ssldl.info, and clicked Login. From there, it brings you to their login screen. Here I typed in my library card number and PIN, and then you just click Login. There are the terms of service that you can read. Once you click Accept, it will have you logged into the app and you can proceed as usual. To browse what Lynda has to offer, if you go to the top of the page where it says Library and mouse over that, you'll see that there are all of these categories in this pop-up menu. Everything from business and CAD to IT to video. So within each category, there are topics listed, software, and learning paths. For instance, if we go to the business category, under topics, we could learn more about online marketing or maybe project management. Software will show us different tutorials for software packages that might be of use in the business world, like FileMaker, Access, Excel. And then they have these learning paths. So let's click See All for the learning paths. And there are all of these curated video tutorials that will get you up to speed in a given area. So for instance, maybe you want to become a bookkeeper or a craft business owner or maybe a project coordinator. I mean, the list just goes on and on. They've got so many different things that you can learn if you so choose. I'm going to click on Become a Bookkeeper. And it shows me that they have 15 hours of video tutorials to follow. And these are the various videos that correspond with the learning path. So I'm going to click Start Learning, and I'm going to start path. And if you click Watch Now, it will begin the first video. Just click on that triangle in the center of the screen, and away we go. The controls are pretty much what you would expect. There is the play and pause button. You can go back 10 seconds. These arrows allow you to go back a video or advance to the next video. You can adjust the volume. You can change the playback speed. You can turn on captions if you like. There are settings you can adjust, and you can go into full screen mode if you like. There is also a transcript below the video. You can download it by clicking View Offline and starting the download. And then some videos will have exercise files available. One feature that I think is really cool with Lynda is the notebook feature. So let's say you're watching a video and you see something that's really important. You can type in a note Good information, review again later. And with your note, it will save the place in the video where you took the notes. So let's say you're watching and you want to go back to that point, just click on your note and it will bring you right back to where you had been. So a great way to take notes as you're watching your video. Lynda really does have something for everyone, and I want to give you some examples of things that you might want to try. If maybe you or someone in your family is interested in getting started using computers, if you go to the top in the search bar and search computer literacy, there are different courses that you can choose from. For instance, computer literacy for Mac, computer literacy for Windows, and they'll cover everything from what's a computer, what's inside a computer, what's a laptop versus a desktop versus a tablet, understanding the operating system. So lots of options there. Maybe you're a more advanced user, like maybe you're a computer programmer and you want to learn a new language. So under library, if you go to developer, maybe you want to get started learning Java. So that's another thing you could try. Maybe you're using a piece of software and there's something specific that you've been trying to figure out. So for instance, maybe you're using Excel and you want to do pivot tables. There are all kinds of options there. Here we go, pivot tables for beginners. Maybe you are somebody who's looking for a job or thinking about changing careers. You can search for things like job search strategies, understanding the realities of job searching. Maybe you want to touch up your resume. If you search resume, they've got some different options. Create a resume, resume makeover. So really, no matter what you want to learn, there's a good chance that Lynda has an option for you. With Lynda and your library card, you can learn all kinds of software, technology, business, and creative skills. Happy learning!